Today we're going to be unboxing an NES and a Super NES. Stay tuned and we'll show you what we got. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com. Today I've got my hands on a NES and a Super NES. I've also got the original NES controller, and I've also got the extension cables. One of them I've actually opened, and the other one is in the pack here. So I've never opened these. These are sealed. I'm just going to go right ahead and dive right in. Took a little while for me to get my hands on these. It was quite the lineup waiting outside the stores to try to get my hands on these. I just held back opening these up, and I figured I might as well shoot this video now and finally get her hooked up. So the first thing I'm going to open is the NES Classic Edition, and yeah, we'll see what we got. Okay, so I guess it opens at the side. Okay, so this is just going to slide out. Okay, so it looks like we got some information here. Okay, we got one controller, and of course this unit actually only came with one controller. That's why I bought the extra controller. Apparently these are the most difficult things to get your hands on. They have aftermarket controllers, which are sold everywhere, but I actually wanted the original controller. So this one, it's so hard, extremely difficult to get your hands on these. I've called everywhere even to get extra, and all of the stores, at least in my area, are sold out. Okay, so we've got the power plug. We got the cables at the bottom here. Let's get this box out. Okay, in the box you'll have an HDMI cable, and of course, however you want to hook it up, USB. Okay, and here's the unit here. There we go. Cute little thing. Of course, your connections are on the back. Okay, so let's put this aside here. Let's see what we got over here. This is the Super NES Classic Edition. Okay. Okay, just like the other one. We have our information here. It's like a power adapter. And unlike the NES, the Super NES actually comes with two controllers, so you don't have to worry about purchasing an extra one. I'm not really sure why Nintendo did that. Maybe it was obviously planned, but nevertheless, the Super NES has two controllers, and that's fine. You might still want to get the extension cables just because you don't want to be that close to the TV to play the game. You want a little bit of leisure to sit back and play the game properly. Okay, and the same thing, we have looks like a USB, or we have the HDMI as well. And here's our unit. These things are nicely packaged, and there we go, a little cute little version of that. Okay, well, there we go. It's a simple little video. I unboxed both of these. If you stay tuned, in the upcoming videos very shortly, we're going to be doing some game videos playing some of the NES games and some of the Super NES games, and I would love for you guys to check it out. So that's it for this video. Just want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what game systems you like to play and games that you guys play. Check out the other videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share that video, and like our video. And we'll see you next time. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys.